Hi guys, I'm Marissa Perry and I'm here with certified naturopath Amanda Tay, and she's going to show me a natural home remedy for coughs. So what are we going to be making today?
So we are going to make a very simple traditional cough remedy, which is known as onion honey cough syrup. It's probably one of my favorite and suitable for all kinds of cough. So what you need for this remedy is only two ingredients, which is onion and also honey. So first, we need a red onion. And
So it has to be red onion.
because compared to the yellow onion, red onion contains higher in phytonutrients and also more minerals that actually very beneficial for the immune system.
Okay.
Onion also rich in quercetin, so which is a favorite compound that has an antihistamine effect. So it is very beneficial for any types of cough, and also including cough that's associated with allergy symptoms as well. Well, honey, we all know that honey is very soothing, but honey is also contains a lot of the vitamins, enzymes, and also phytonutrients. It's perfect for healing in general. So make sure that the heat is not too high because you will then burn the honey. So basically, we are making an infusion of honey and onion here.
Okay.
So here's the finished product. So once you've done it, you can keep them in the fridge for up to 3 months' time. It tastes very good though, like you don't get the very pungent onion taste anymore. Therefore, I think kids will love it as well.
You're absolutely right.
It tastes very right.
It actually has a very nice sweetness to it.